Yo, what's up? So a lot of you been asking what editing software should I use. Today is the day that I teach you guys my secret formula. But there's one last thing I want to say before I get into the tutorial. I'm giving you guys a super light Christmas present. I'm giving you guys the folder I actually use. Everything in the folder I spent hours and hours collecting. The link's in the description if you want to download my meme pack.
That's what I'm talking about! That's why he's the MVP! That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Now the video that I'm going to be using for an example is my Minecraft video. Some of you may argue that that wasn't my best editing, but to me that was my favorite and the most effort I ever put into a video. And if you haven't seen that video, the link is in the top right of the video. I like to think of editing as cooking. First, you have to have an idea of what you want to cook, just like a video. You gotta have an idea of what you want to make. Second, you gotta go get the ingredients. This would be recording. Whatever your idea is, go film it. Third, now you're in the process of cooking. This is also the process of editing. And as you're cooking, you gotta taste what you're making. This would be going back from the beginning and watching every single second of your video. Make sure every single second is to your liking. Let's talk about the spices. This would be sound effects, music, videos, everything that spices up your video. Okay, so let's take a look at the Minecraft video. Now for me, I like to film the intro first. It has to go intro, gameplay, outro. So usually what I do is I do the intro and the outro first. Get them out of the way, so now I just gotta worry about the meat and potatoes. And when I say meat and potatoes, I mean the entire video that's gonna have to keep you guys entertained. There's one more important thing I want to tell you that really did help me in the editing process. If there's a clip in your video that doesn't fit well, but you really want it, delete it. If you go back and watch your content and you're like, this does not fit here, then do not put it in your video. I cannot tell you that enough. I know it's going to be hard, but just delete it, trust me. Now let me teach you how I edit my videos. And for everyone who's wondering what I use to edit, I use Premiere Pro 2020. And I kind of lied about earlier, I'm not going to use the Minecraft video because I'm a visual learner myself. So I'm going to start with a raw video of a Team Rumble game that I just filmed. And so yeah, let's get right into it. So now what you are looking at right now is some raw footage of my gameplay. Usually what you want to do now is edit that down to the most exciting parts of the clip. Okay, so I'm trying to make this video underneath 5 minutes, so I'm only going to use a couple clips here and there to explain how I edit my videos. Let's start with sound effects. Sound effects are a hit or miss because you can either make the video uninteresting or just make the video so annoying that you don't want to watch it anymore. Let me give you an example of what you want to do and an example of what you don't want to do.
Boy! Bruh.
Oh, come on, man.
Boy!
Look, I ain't gonna lie to game
Stupid.
shit.
Bruh.
Yeah!
Damn, that's crazy.
You picked the wrong house, fool!
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, shit! Boy!
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Be gone! Bruh.
No, don't do it.
Look, I ain't gonna lie to game shit.
See, the first one, it's oversaturated with sound effects. And yes, you could say that about the second one, but remember, there's going to be mic commentary. And mic commentary is very important. It's 3:30 in the morning right now, so usually I would have mic commentary over my gameplay, but I'm not recording my voice because I kind of get hyper when I'm playing video games. But you get my point. Everything fits so smoothly. Second is music. Music is very important. It is setting the mood for your video. If you have the wrong music over a clip, it sets the mood off. Take this clip for example. Now let's apply some music to my gameplay.
Oh, boy!
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Be gone! Bruh.
No, don't do it.
Look, I ain't gonna lie to game shit.
Oh, boy!
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Be gone! Bruh.
No, don't do it.
Look, I ain't gonna lie to game shit.
Next is text effects. A lot of people want to learn how to do these. They are very simple and very easy to do.
Oh, boy!
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Be gone! Bruh.
No, don't do it.
Look, I ain't gonna lie to game shit.
So I'm gonna apply a text effect over this.
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Be
So what you do is you take a text effect, or you just take text, and I'm gonna put, I'm finna whip this. So get where you want the caption to be, and change your text, however you want to do it. Next you go into effects. And this is for everything. So if you want to zoom in on a certain figure, use transform. Here we go. We're going to type in transform. And now we're going to apply transform to our text effect. So let's hear it.
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
So I'm going to play it right in the middle, and I'm going to line. You don't see this, but you know why? Because we're going to turn the opacity down. My mic cut out here, but what you're doing is you're just copying and pasting the keyframes so the text comes in and out perfectly.
Oh, boy!
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Be gone!
Bruh.
Oh, don't do it!
Look, I ain't gonna lie against shit.
And the last thing is videos. Videos are almost like sound effects. If you add too many videos, it just oversaturates the main video. But if you add a video in the right spot, it is adding like the cherry to the top of the ice cream.
Oh!
Oh my God, can you let me do what I need to do?
Boy!
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Be
Oh, you dead ass right now?
gone!
Bruh.
Oh, don't do it!
Look, I ain't gonna lie against shit.
Damn, that's crazy.
Oh, boy!
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Be gone!
Oh, don't do it!
Look, I ain't gonna lie against shit.
Now, the last thing is more of a bonus thing. That's my advice to you guys. Please check your audio. Go into your audio channels and make sure everything just flows smoothly. Trust me, you want to make sure all the audio flows nice and smoothly like a nice river.
Oh, boy!
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Be gone!
Oh, don't do it!
Look, I ain't gonna lie against shit.
Oh, boy!
Man, I'm finna whip this hoe.
Be gone!
Oh, don't do it!
Look, I ain't gonna lie against shit.
Well guys, that's pretty much everything I do when I edit my videos, so I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. Sorry if the editing, ironically, on this video is kind of bad. I usually don't make content like this, but you guys been asking for it, so here you go. Well, have a great day guys, peace out. I don't know what my outro is, so just have a great day.